Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using structured patterns. It teaches and focuses on being mindful and present. Zentangle requires no artistic skills. Hello, I'm SANDHYA MANNE. I'm an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. Wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring in more peace and prosperity. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I post here regularly every week. Welcome to yet another Zentangle Mini Project. Today's focus tangle in our Focus Flight series is Barney by CZT. Barney is a beautiful filler tangle that can be done in a grid format or in an organic way. So I plan to use Barney in our project in an interesting way. So for today's project, I will be working on a regular white square tile with my black pen, pencil and stub. So go grab your supplies and let's get started on to tangling now. So here we are with our supplies. This is my white square tile and here's my 01 micron, 08 micron, my pencil and stub. So today's focus tangle is Barney, which is a interesting, fun tangle. As I said, it can be done in a grid format or in an organic way. So we're going to try working this out in an organic way for today's project. So I want to start off with a small section, some markings like this. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. Something like this is good. So I've just marked a small section off like that. It can be any side. I've just done it on my top right. So with my 01 micron, I'm going to start off making Barney the organic way. Okay, so we start with circles, nice and big, and it's okay to go out of this section a bit, so don't limit yourself to that. A bit here and there makes it look interesting. So I'm making circles in different sizes. I can also have some circles going behind. It's already there, but I make sure my circles are nice and big. It's not like our tipple. So let's go ahead there. Also notice that all the circles are touching each other. It makes it look interesting. Okay, so take your time to do this. Okay, so I've made all the circles nice and big. Now I go back and fill in these little sections or little spots with again circles, and whatever is left over of that I'm going to fill it up with solid black. So again, take your time to do this. So going on that. Okay, so I'm all done. Now let's get started with real fun. So Barney goes like this. I start from here, and then I make a line like this, like this, like this, like this, like a hexagon. So we have a V, upside down V, and a regular V, and then you join that. So we're gonna have this on all of our circles. Okay, it can be small, it can be big, it doesn't have to be right in the center, it can be a little off like that, and you can change the direction if you wish to. So it's totally up to you how you want to play with this. So again, take your time to go around filling each of these circles with a hexagon. Okay, so here it is, all done. Right, so now let's just pull a line from these corners to the circle like this. So again, I'm going to go all around doing this. So I like to work like this, make the circles first and make the hexagons next, and then pull out the lines. But if you're somebody who likes to kind of finish one circle and then move on to the other circle, you're welcome to do that. This is just my way of working. So again, take your time to finish this. I have one left here. Okay. Barney is a very flexible tangle. You can do different variations with this, and it's a fun tangle, so there's no mistakes in this. So here it is. Now, as I said, there are different variations you can still do with this. You can add more details in these segments, but I'm going to leave it at this, except for one. I am going to use my thicker tip pen and kind of go around like this, just about 3 sides like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this in all of my bunnies. So just to give that depth. So go ahead and do that. But if you really want to have fun, you can definitely play around with these sections here. So there it is, looking lovely. So it's kind of turned into a mono tangle of the sorts. So now let's get to shading. We're done with the pen work. So let's get started with the shading. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put my pencil again on 3 sides like this, wherever I made my dark. Well, it doesn't always have to be there. You can have it whichever side you want, but about 3 or 4 sections like that. So I'm going to do this, and I'm just gently going to blend this off like that. So I'm going to go around doing this for each of my bunnies. Now when I have something like this overlapping, I am going to go around it like that to give that overlapping effect. So I'm going to do that. So go around adding some pencil like this around the hexagon, and of course if your circle is overlapping another one, then you would go around it like that. Okay, so here it is all done. Now I am going to make add some pencil here to give some shadow like that. Again, I'm just going to do it on one side. So something like this. So there it is, like that. Now here I am going to write Happy New Year 2021. So let's welcome the year. This is my first video of 2021. So thank you all for watching, and let's just mention that. Right. So I'm going to put my initials and sign it and own it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Let's journal this. So today's date is 1st of Jan 2021, and this is YouTube. Focus flight series. And our tangle was Barney, and we pretty much did a mono tangle of Barney. So that was our tangle and that was our tile today. Wish you a very happy new year. Hope you had fun creating this project with me. I would love to see your creations. So head on to our Facebook group Zenbeez, where all the after party fun happens. Share your works there and check out the creations by other Zenbeez. If you're sharing your works on social media, then please do tag me at SANDHYA MANNE or hashtag Tangle with Sandhya, so I get to see your lovely works there. And I do stop by to comment. A quick note, these projects and these videos are for your personal use and no part of this can be used for any kind of commercial purposes. To understand the Zentangle method and to get started in your own Zentangle journey, email me to get information about my group classes or to schedule your private sessions. Slots for the month of January is now open, and you can also check out the 2021 class schedule on my website. To receive my weekly newsletter, click on the link Tangle Organizer in the description. Remember to claim your free gift and get updates on my upcoming workshops and other fun events. I do a Facebook Live every Friday at 10 a.m. India time on my Facebook page at SANDHYA MANNE Studio. So do join me there and let's tangle together real time. Now it's time to comment, so please comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this project, because that really helps me plan out my next set of videos. Also, it's time to show some love, so hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and share the video. I'll see you next on Tuesday in String Safari. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.